My name is Russell Hurst. I'm the CEO of Phoenix Specialty Manufacturing Company here in Bamberg, South Carolina. We're a contract manufacturer of specialty parts, washers, shims, seals, gaskets, and spacers. Our company was founded in 1907, and we've been here in Bamberg since 1967.
One thing about Phoenix is it's always changing. You can't stay the same and be competitive in the market. It's not just staying stagnant and accepting things the way they are, but how can we improve and make things better?
We typically produce parts in really low volumes and for customers that have demanding requirements. Being low volume, what's important for us is to always be out there looking for the next thing. And Phoenix has been very involved with MEP since the early 90s.
I'm Brian Cooning. I'm the Regional Vice President for South Carolina Manufacturing Extension Partnership, SCMEP for short, and we are part of the MEP National Network. We're a resource hub for companies like Phoenix.
Phoenix has a very good relationship with SCMEP, as well as the OpEx Exchange, a unique peer-to-peer network that is out of the MEP system. It allows companies to collaborate, benchmark, and to learn from each other on solutions and problems that they have.
Over the years, MEP has helped us with our IT infrastructure, skills-based training. We had an apprentice program. As quality requirements have changed over the years, MEP has always been just a huge asset to help us stay relevant with the ISO and the AS9100 certification. We use MEP right now for a lot of our cybersecurity initiatives that we're going through. We have to be more efficient. We have to make higher quality products. We have to have processes that have better throughput, better yield. That's how we're going to rely on MEP to help us adapt to the future.
MEP has exposed Phoenix to a lot of tools so that we could be competitive on a local and global scale.
They're mastering the quality systems and the lean systems, and now they're moving into what's coming up next. We're already talking about projects in the technology sector that could potentially help them move to the next level.
The sole purpose of MEP and the MEP network is to strengthen American manufacturing, is to strengthen these companies.
You have your local brain bank that's available right here in the state that you could go and seek help, get training, and learn different concepts in order to make your business more efficient.
We're one of the largest private employers here in the county. While we have to make a profit to stay in business, it can't be the only reason we're here. One of our company values is community stewardship. Our commitment to safety ties into that stewardship, and we're absolutely committed to providing the safest environment for our people.
We are OSHA Sharp certified, which means you go above and beyond to keep your employees safe.
To see an organized environment that's clean, that's safe, to see great people making tangible products that are for the greater good.
This is my hometown. This is where I'm from. And to see Phoenix give back to this community and know that I'm a part of it, it just makes my heart happy.
The fourth generation of our family owns the business and we're actively managing it. We've grown, we're reinvesting, and we're here to stay.